Hello, fellow creatives. Thank you for tuning in. Are you having a garage sale or an event that need to make a quick flyer and don't know how to start it or what to do? Well, have no fear, because modern AI tools are just what you were looking for. If you are having a garage sale, a group gathering, a cookie sale, a Bible study, or whatever it is that you have in mind to get the word out, you can use AI tools such as ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI to help you, just to name a few. I'm going to use ChatGPT. Let's say you have a garage sale and you want to make a flyer to tell your friends, family, neighbors, or anyone in the block about it. Go to ChatGPT. Go into the prompt box and type what you will have, from toys to clothing to hardware to pottery and plants, whatever it is that you're going to sell. Remember, you don't have to list a specific item. If it's clothes, just type that. If it's toys and games, type that. ChatGPT will understand it. Here's the fun part. Type this. I want to design and create a fun and attention-getting flyer for my garage yard sale in my neighborhood. I want to add information about the things I want to sell, from clothing to kitchenware to toys and games for the kids, to hardware and electronics, just to name a few. I want you to arrange the images in a nice and fun way that doesn't clutter, and I want you to make a space where I can add my information and address and the date when it will happen. And that's it. That's all you need to do. And remember, do not add any personal information on any AI tool that you're using. After you print out the flyer, then you can use a marker to add that information. But never put your information into any AI tool. Next, if you don't like what you got, ask it to change it up. Let's say you want the date on there physically, since it's not a personal information. So I type, let's add a date, and it should say happening this Friday through Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And that is it. This is the result. And all you do is print it out, and if you don't have a printer, simply download the image and go to your local print shop and have them print it out for you. And here's the best part, they can enlarge it too. If you need it larger, that is. And that's it! You did your own flyer! Congratulations! Well, that's it for today. I hope that this was helpful to you, and I hope you found it creative. Let me know what you thought by leaving your comments down below, or if you have any questions that you have lingering. And don't forget to like, share to your friends and family, and subscribe to get more awesome and creative ideas to help you being creative. This is Art signing off, and don't forget to muse it or lose it.